You will be completing Report 9368 from a handwritten draft in your textbook on page 380 and 381. You should read through that handwritten document before you begin typing. You may need to review formatting for side headings and paragraph headings in this multi-page document. And remember that the nature of this report for a medical office requires that you concentrate on producing an error-free document. This report will need a page number on page 2, and it needs to be suppressed on page 1. If you format this report correctly, the final side heading will appear on page 2 with its content. So let's begin. We'll be pressing Enter 5 times to begin the report 2 inches from the top of the page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to type the title in all caps. It will be bold, 14 point, and centered. Before you press Enter, return to 12-point font size. Take off all caps. Press Enter 2 times. Type the subtitle. Press Enter 2 times and type the author's name. Now you will press Enter 2 times after the byline, return to left alignment, and you will type all side headings in all caps and bold, 12 point at the left margin, with a blank line before and after. You will insert one blank line between all paragraphs. I'm pausing here to remind you how to type a dash in Word. No spaces before and after. You use the hyphen key for 2 strokes. Type the next word, and as soon as you space, Word is going to convert those 2 hyphens to a long dash called an M dash, E-M, M dash. Then you continue on. I have filled in the rest of the content and need only to call your attention to the paragraph headings. Notice they are typed in upper and lower case, followed by a period, and they are bold. Everything in the body of the report is 12-point font. You have a blank line between paragraphs and before and after each side heading. There are medical terms to be sure that you have spelled correctly, and we see that, as suggested, the last side heading is on page 2. So we'll insert our page number and we should be finished here. Go to the Insert tab, the header and footer group, insert page number. We want it at the top of the page and on the right, so that is plain number 3. Then come up here to the Design tab and click Different First Page. Notice how the page number field has a gray background. That's indicating that it is a field and that you didn't just type the number 2. Scroll up to be sure that it is not showing. Page number 1 is not showing at the top of page 1. Then you can close the header and footer. And if this is how your report looks, you're ready to save, close, and submit for scoring.